currently, when we are talking, the last report from UN OCHA, Organization for Coordination of Human Rights Affairs, they say 1.8 million people are sitting surrounded by stagnant waters of 7 months. Just imagine, somebody is sitting in the water which has been there for 7 months. It is filled with diseases, nothing else, and people are dying, and no numbers are coming out. The aid that they receive from international community, from international organizers, that's simply, even UN said that aid is not reaching to the people. So the aid, even at the start, when the people were drowning, the aid that received, that disappeared, they didn't reach to the people. They are making these numbers. So we are facing a genocide. And this is really worse. So this is a combination. So people are surrounded, their houses are destroyed, they are displaced. There is no food, there is no shelter, there is no support, there is no medicine, and there is no hope and no aid. So that is the situation. So Sindhi people are facing their worst nightmare in their history of thousands.